All right, everybody, here we are. My buddy wants me to take all the stuff off this boat, and we're going to make a floating dock out of it. So I'm going to unscrew it all, and I don't know if he wants to build the deck out wider, but this will float up there in the lake, and I don't know what all he has planned for it yet, but hey, I'm gonna do what he asks. But I want to show you guys, I think the motor, I bet it's still good. I don't know what his intentions was, besides what he told me, that he would like to make a floating dock out of this. So, but if you look, she's clean. So I'm gonna ask him if he wants me to keep the motor or if it's to be junked. But it's 4-stroke Yamaha outboard motor, South Carolina. It's a big one. It's actually got I think that's a fish finder up there. But he wants me to tear all that out. Tear it all off here, he says. And so that's what I'm going to do. I just wanted to bring you guys along, show you this is another job that they want done. And over here, got some trucks that we're going to junk. His buddy had passed away a couple years ago, and these was on the farm. But I think there's some good things that we can salvage off of them. Actually, yeah. But I mean, they're solid. I just, I know the titles got tied up and everything, so we're going to have to cut them up. But I think, you know, things like this here, I could probably save that off of it, that wheel. I don't know. There's nothing there. We just got a sprayer back here. You know, that would spray the tar for paving. We got a couple tanks there. And you got this truck. I don't know anything about this stuff, but I'm sure there's some good parts on here that you would think somebody could use. But tires, I don't know. Yeah, heavy duty. They still got motors up in there. Probably motor might be good. Hell, they might run. I don't know, guys. All I know is what I'm told, and you probably could sell the tank. You know, sell the tankers off of them. But it's coming up. This is going to be my next project coming up. So you guys comment below if you know anything about this blacktopping business. Do you think there's anything that could be saved off these trucks? Tires, they don't look too bad. They look like they're savable, could be used. I know this one's got a nice looking motor in it. So let's get it. I got to start on the pontoon. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up. Ding that notification bell. Thank you for watching.